back to my channel. I am excited, to say the least. I'm ecstatic. I am unboxing our Nespresso machine. We purchased a Nespresso Virtual. I also purchased the coffee pots. I want to set up my coffee station somewhere here. That's why we moved the microwave to its place, because I needed space. Anywho, my name is Bonso. We do home, we do lifestyle, we do a little bit of travel. Please grab a chair, make yourself feel at home. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend of a friend to come to the party. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm starting a vlog on a Sunday, on the Mother's Day Sunday. I'm doing house chores. There is a gift that I asked from Habibi that I wanted for Mother's Day. I don't know if he's still gonna buy it for me, but he bought me flowers. My table is a whole mess because I'm doing house chores. Anywho, I asked him if I can get the item that I want. It's also a homeware type of a situation. I don't know if he's gonna do it for me, but anyway, I'll also cross my toes. I'm starting on a Sunday with laundry. As you can hear, that's the machine. The laundry is in the machine. I also need to water the garden because I water on Sundays mostly. And what else am I doing? We're gonna set up the coffee station together. I'm excited. Welcome to it. Welcome to a new vlog. I don't know, I'm so nervous, but I'm excited. I'm excited for the new baby, the new addition in the house. Please do enjoy. Make yourself comfortable and do enjoy. I'll see you guys later. I don't know if you can see me, but I want to start with the accessories that I bought for the machine. I bought coffee pots and two Nespresso cups, and a sleeve of the coffee pots, and what else? I can't remember, but yeah, I'm gonna start with that, and then I will unbox the machine a little later. So this is my situation. Oh wow. Interesting. Oh my god, these are my coffee pots. Want to do your music, please. And this is the case. What do they call it again? What is in here? Yo, Nespresso, guys. 100 caps. This is where you put your used coffee pots, I think. And this is the mug. It's supposed to be 2 mugs and a spoon. Oh yeah, the 2 grand virtual mug. Grand what? 2 by virtual grand lungo. It's supposed to be 2 mugs and that. And this was what I got. It's a capsule. What is it? The thing that you put the capsule inside, that I got for free from them for purchasing all these things. Guys, y'all don't tell me, why is my phone blurry? Hold up. Oh, blurry. Guys, oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. I thought I was buying 6 single capsules. Not 6 sleeves. Why would I need 6 sleeves of one item? How many are they inside even? This is gonna be interesting. So I don't need to buy, I can't see how many are there inside. I'll open one. I don't need to buy capsules for the next year and no more. I just want to look at it. Oh my god, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've got 60 of these. 60, like 60. What am I gonna do? 5 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I bought Hey, I'm telling you, seeing is believing. Anyway, this is what is inside the box and the boxes. I'll open them all so that you can see what is going on. But I am shocked. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Hey, I've got a year supply of capsules. Is it even capsules, guys? Am I saying the right things? Yeah, capsules. Oh my, I thought I'm buying 6 of these. And I was feeling like it's expensive because it's 175 rands. But I didn't realize it's 175. 10. Ooh, yeah, you know what they say, if you want to hide it, put it in black and white. Hey, if you want to hide it, put it in black and white. That's where I'm at right now. But anyway, not a problem. I'll try all the flavors. That I know, this I know I bought. I know I bought it. Is it 10 sleeve? Can't remember, but I know I bought these. But these ones, I honestly thought I was buying single. Even this one, I honestly thought I was buying a single capsule. But all is not lost. We're gonna make do with what we have. I'm gonna open this packages on Insta and then open the coffee machine. Like, wow. Wowzy, Kuningi has just gotten worse at this point. So I'm gonna try with the machine and make this one now. Wish me luck. welcome to it. Welcome back. I hope you are enjoying. I haven't picked up the phone since Sunday because I was so frustrated with the vlog that didn't want to go up. Today's Saturday. I just dropped Karabo off at karate and then I'm back home. I want to make my bed and I want to sort out the spare bedroom because wowzy, let me show you how it looks. Oh wow, who dear me car. I need to bring in some peace and structure in here somehow, but I just wanna shower first. I think that will be my first point. I'm gonna shower and maybe make me a small breaky. I'll decide, but I think the first thing to do is just to shower. I thought I must pick you guys up and say hi, how you're doing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell your friends, come to the party. Let me get the day going because possibly I'm going to Mokopane to see a friend of mine. I am long overdue for a refill. I don't even know if I want to go back for a refill or just a new set, but yeah, that will be done the middle of the week next week. Welcome back. Let's get the day going. I think I'm gonna sort out this bedroom with you guys and also make my bed. I think so. I'll catch up with you guys. Let me just go and shower and then I'll pick you guys up again. Nothing gives me peace like a clean, freshly made bedroom. I'm done with my bedroom. I'm going to move to the spare bedroom. I cannot find the bedding though, but let me just give me a minute. Let me look for it and then I'll come back in the spare bedroom. Okay. Let me start by putting all these pillows on Karabo's bed. Wowzy. I'm also getting later by a minute. But I told myself that I'm not going to leave this house until this bedroom is done because I've been putting it aside for, I think it's 3 months now. I need to get it over and done with. I also need to get my face done I haven't had anything to eat yet. I need to also moisturize my lips. Let me try and figure it out. All I know is I need to sort out this bedroom. At least today. At least vandaag. We'll see. I think the thing that will give me motivation is to put the duvet cover, the inner in the duvet cover, and fold it there, and then sort out the pillowcases. Yeah, let me start there. So this is what I ended up with. I've put accessories on the other side, but I feel like they're hiding there. So maybe I must move them this side and leave that corner there bare as it is. But my problem is that plant will then not have light at all any day during the day. Oh, kuningi is kuningiest. Now let me just see how I'm gonna figure it out. So here is the accessories on the other side. One thing about my helper, I asked her on Friday to change the curtains. You think she'll iron? Oh no, she's not about that life. So yeah, everything that I asked her to iron this bedding for me, dololo, and it was clean. I don't know. I like the black and white vibe. I like it. So this is how it's going to be until I feel like I need to change it, because there's nobody sleeping here. But I just wanted the house to look proper, prim and proper. So yeah, that's where we are. Oh, Bagit. So I've tried to accessorize here and on the floor and here. I feel like I need a flowers, a small vase for a flower. What else do I need? Something else, a decorative piece. I don't know, somebody or something. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave it there. And then unfortunately I'm gonna have to ask my helper to take them down, iron them, because they're not straight there, and then put them back on. Yeah, I think that's about it. I love how it came out. I really do. Now I'm asking Habs if we can put something there, or maybe, because I don't think he'll be willing to remove those crosses there for Palm Sundays. So yeah, or maybe I must put something here, but yeah, all dependent on him at this point.